Look at this. This AI influencer is not real. She doesn't exist. I created her in less than 10 minutes, completely for free, and she can dance, lip sync, pose, anything you want. And the best part? You don't need any design skills, no paid subscriptions, nothing. By the end of this video, you'll have your own hyper-realistic AI influencer ready to post on Instagram or TikTok. Let's get into it. First thing we need is a source image. This is the face and vibe we're going to base our AI influencer on. Head over to Pinterest and search for something like aesthetic influencer or model portrait. What you're looking for is a clear, front-facing photo, good lighting, minimal background clutter. Download the one you like. Don't overthink this. Any decent quality image will work. Now go to lovart AI, link in the description. They give you 30 free credits every single day, which is more than enough. Click the plus icon, image generator, upload your source image. Now here's where most people go wrong with their prompt. Don't just write beautiful woman, be specific. Write something like realistic female portrait, natural skin texture, soft studio lighting, photorealistic, high detail. Select Nano Banana Pro as your model, set resolution to decay. Aspect ratio 3:4, then hit generate. Now here's something the other tutorials don't show you. Every time you generate, the face changes slightly if you want your influencer to look the same across multiple posts. Save your best result and always upload the generated image as the new source image in your next generation. This keeps the face consistent so your audience recognizes her every time. Now we want to bring her to life. Go back to Pinterest and find a video with the kind of movement you want. A walk, a head turn, whatever fits your niche. Copy the link and use a downloader to save it. Then go to frame extractor, upload that video, set the frame number to 1 and extract the first frame. Download that frame. We'll need it in the next step. Now the magic step. Head to Kling AI. This is now on version 3.0, which is way better than what other tutorials are using. Quick heads up on the pricing before we jump in. Kling has a free plan that gives you 66 credits every day. That's enough for about 6 5-second videos daily, which is more than enough to follow along with this tutorial. The catch is your videos will have a watermark and max out at 7,200 on the free plan. For just making content and posting it, the free plan works fine to start. But if you want to run this as a real AI influencer account and monetize it, brand deals, paid promos, you'll want to upgrade to the standard plan, which is $6.99 a month. That removes the watermark, bumps you to 108p, and gives you commercial rights. Link in the description. Anyway, go to motion control. Remove the default image and upload your AI influencer. Remove the default video and upload the Pinterest video you downloaded. Delete the prompt text. 720p resolution is fine, and hit run. In a minute or two you'll have a video of your AI influencer copying those exact movements. This is genuinely insane. If Kling is slow or you've used your credits, here's a backup. Hickfield AI gives you 3 free generations. Same process. Upload your influencer image. Upload your reference video. Hit generate. The results are slightly different, so it's worth comparing both. I'll show you the difference right here so you can decide which one you prefer for your content. So you've got your AI influencer. Now what? Post her on Instagram as a faceless brand account. Use her for TikTok content in niches like fashion, fitness, or lifestyle. You can even monetize through brand deals once you build followers. Companies are already paying AI influencer accounts. The key is consistency. Post 3 to 5 times a week. Same character, same aesthetic, same vibe. That's how you build an audience fast. That's it, your full free AI influencer pipeline from zero. Drop your results in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. If this helped, hit subscribe because I post new AI tool videos every week. All the links and prompts are in the description below. See you in the next one.